Welcome back to infoDruids. Today we are going to dive into the essential topic for anyone working on the database. So we are going to learn about the what is indexes, type of indexes in the MongoDB, how to create indexes in the MongoDB using Compass. So let's understand first what is indexes. So exactly in the world of database, and indexes is a special data structure that improves the speed of data retrieval operation on the collection. Think about it. So book indexes. It helps us to find us information we need quickly from the book, like on which page number does that topic exist or not. Using indexes, our query performance is very slower to find relevant entry in the database because it has to go with the each record of the database table to find the relevant one, especially when our database is growing. But by using indexes, it can dramatically reduce the time taken to retrieve that document. Let's start with the type of indexes in the MongoDB. So there are four types of indexes. First one is the one is known as ascending index, which sort the data into the ascending order, helping a query that retrieve the document in the sorted by the field like age we can sort. And another is a minus one, which does the opposite of the one. That is, it create index in the descending order. Another is tool index. It is perfect for the geospatial data. It helps with the queries that involve two-dimensional coordinate like longitude, latitude. If we are storing, then we need to use 2D indexes. And another is text indexes that enable powerful text search capability to allow you to search on the specific word or the phrase of the document. Like this is complete text, and it helps to create index on this part. Let's come to the main part of the video, like how to create indexes in the MongoDB using Compass. So open your Compass, like connect to your database and open the collection especially. So suppose I'll explain you this. So this is a user collection where I have name, email, password, and mobile user ID and paper category, something like that. So suppose you need to create index on the mobile. So you need to go to this index tab. Here you will find there is already underscore ID index is created, which is referring to this index. The site that is automatically generated by the MongoDB. So you need to create index on the mobile. So you need to go to the index and you will find it here. Create index and you need to create an index. So here you need to select the name of that field. Suppose it is in our case it is a mobile. And which type of index that I already understand. I help you understand. One is ascending, minus two for descending, two for we use for the geospatial data and the text one. So this is mobile number. So we can use one as a sentence, and according to your need, you can go for the other options also, like creating unique index name or create it here. According to your need, you can select any one of these options and create index. So the index is created completely. You can refresh it and you can see when it was used and created. When you go and do the query on the mobile number, it will drastically reduce your time taken by the query if your data is very huge. So like this, we can create a date indexes on the MongoDB using Compass. So there you have index on the MongoDB. By creating the right index, you can improve performance of your application dramatically.